We are inside the lab, ENG302 at this time. As you can see, there are some stations with the equipments, resistors and oscilloscopes and power supplies. And also in the middle, you would see a number of desks available for the study. Typically, everybody comes in, they get ready, they put all their stuff in. As you can see, I left my luggage on the desk, everything heavy. I'm going to leave them in the middle because I don't want anybody to trip over my luggage or my bag or anything that you might have. So please leave your bags in the middle if you feel comfortable, unless you have some sensitive item inside. And also when you come in, we appreciate very much if you don't bring in any food or any drink. If you need to bring in any drink for any reason, we really appreciate if you leave the drink in the middle. The stations should, the drink should not be close to the electrical equipments. They are not safe, and we appreciate that very much. The food, we appreciate if you don't bring them in for another reason too. They smell, and some of the students are sensitive toward the smells. So that's one of the safety issues that you need to remember. Now, if you come in, as you come in, you're going to see a number of basically pages posted on the walls and the doors. Here, for example, there is a lab safety. It gives all the information about what the safety, important items of the safety would be. The emergency procedure is also posted. I'm going to talk briefly, not all of it, but briefly about some of the information on that. For resistors, resistors are color-coded, and if you are interested to basically read on your own, you can actually look into this information and read the resistors properly. Now, one of the things that we are going to use inside frequently, of course, for any lab we do, is wire. Wire in an abstract form is going to be just a line, but you come into this closet and you actually pick up just enough number of wires for your own experiment. Some of the wires are short and some of the wires are long. They are different colors. The colors for professional engineers, they mean something, but in this lab we are going to relax the rule so we don't have to worry about the colors of the wire. Now, any wire that you have, for example, this one has two ends, and these metal parts are actually going to go into the connections, into the nodes that are available on the resistor box. But as you can see, this wire, for low frequency, low voltages, such as 10, 20 volts or something, you can actually play with it like a rubber band. You can actually do anything, and still that's going to be a simple connection that we are going to use. This long one typically is used when you want to connect an equipment to something that is a bit far away. So try to utilize and optimize the usage of these wires, because we don't have too many inside each lab, and we try to accommodate as many students as we can inside the lab. Now, I'm going to go over my own desk and I'm going to start explaining what the equipments are.